Okay, so the one funnel away challenge is awesome, but it's usually $100. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get it for $47 and why it's actually not about the funnel. Okay, so the one funnel away challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you all about the one funnel away challenge. Kind of give you a one funnel away challenge review, but the crux of this is showing you how to get it for $47 instead of $100. First, let me show you what the one funnel away challenge is all about. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the one funnel away challenge. We'll look at some of the features of the one funnel away challenge. One funnel away challenge is basically a 30-day, well, a little bit over a 30-day challenge, and it's about launching your next funnel. What they do is for $100, you get 3 different instructors: Julie Stone, Russell Brunson, and Stephen Larson. Okay, so first of all, the features are here really quick on the page. And it's great. You get all this stuff, so to speak. But let's really talk about what the benefits are to actually doing the one funnel away challenge, because all this physical stuff doesn't really tell you much. So I'm going to show you kind of like what's on the inside. So on the inside of the challenge, you basically, the first part is just to get you into the mindset of doing the challenge. And then they go through and talk about your offer and offer hacking, looking at different offers and offer sequencing, really creating more of an offer than a product. And the real difference between the two things is key to the whole challenge. And then they talk about how to create it with different assets, images, and so on, and the tools you can use for that, publishing, creating your origin story, sharing that, and really your core funnel strategy, setting up the pages for your funnel and why the funnel is so powerful, and then getting some traffic. Now, the benefits of all this are that you're able to create an offer from thin air, basically, after 30 days. Now, the people who really do this have done amazing things. And if you look out online for all the different courses out there, this is by hands down one of the best deals you can get for creating content, for creating info products online, and also enhancing anything that you're selling online. But the thing of it is, it's still $100. What if you could get it for $47? And let me show you how that works. Here's how you can get the one funnel away challenge for $47. Go to the link below in the description, click on it, and you'll be taken to get a lead swipe file for $7. It gives you about 106 different landing page designs that have proven to work, and it'll show you how to use them. So you can basically go and take those and kind of emulate what they're doing, and then put in your own information, your own offer, and then you can test these out and get the one that works for you. So it's only $7, which is great. And when you go through this, you're going to be offered the one funnel away challenge for $100. Go ahead and say no to this upsell. When you click on no for this, you're then going to be offered the digital version, the one funnel away challenge, for $47. Go ahead and buy that. That's going to be your gateway into creating an offer inexpensively, and it's a great challenge. You not only get all the challenge information, but let me show you something else. You get access to the one funnel away challenge Facebook group, which is awesome, and the coaching that happens on there. You get these live coaching events. Now, as you see on here, these live coaching events will often just pull in a few people. What's great about that is you can get on there and you can get some one-on-one help and interaction with the coaches, because there's so few people watching, because there's so many different things you can do, and it comes and people get busy, so they don't necessarily watch it. But these are a gold mine for getting one-on-one questions answered. So I highly recommend that. It also has it also has all the other people going through the challenge that'll help you through it and really give you ideas and feedback and so on and so forth. So the Facebook group is great. But not only do you get the Facebook group, let me show you something else. You also get access to the summit interviews. Now these are top people that have shared their funnels and shown you their success. Not only do they give you an overview of what they would do in 30 days if they had to start from scratch, but they also give you a behind the scenes view of the funnels that they would use. You get all of this from several different people. And that's, again, something you can emulate and use or leverage to create your own funnels. So all this together for $100, but if you go through the link below in the description of this video, you'll get it for $47, which is a great deal. Highly recommend it. Now, there are some bonuses if you want. There's a second link. If you go to that link, sign up and you can get the bonuses that are listed on that page. Either way, highly recommend the One Funnel Away Challenge. Great opportunity to go through, create an offer, understand the sequencing and the offer creation, and really getting your content out there, publishing in a way that makes sense, while at the same time also using strategies for hooking people in, getting traffic, and just a gold mine of different ideas that you can be testing for years to come. So highly recommend it. Check out the link below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, alright.